today we're gonna make rain. But we can do outside, but we can do it inside.
Okay, so first we're going to put some hot water in our cup, right?
Put the hot water cup first.
And what do we do next?
We need to add the plate.
Here you go.
Thank you. First we gotta wait for a little bit. We gotta wait.
Okay. Now do you think we can put the ice on?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
We gotta put. Do you see that cup? We're going to put
good.
right there. If you have full coloring, it's okay. You can have some full coloring. We can add any color, but we don't have full coloring. Oh. There you go. We got.
All right, let's look at this.
I see some raindrops.
Do you see that?
Yeah. So we gotta wait it.
Let's go ahead and add some more ice.
Oh yeah. Let's add more. Let's add the whole thing of it.
Go ahead.
Yeah, let's add three more. We're gonna do the whole thing. So.
All right.
Hi.
Okay, let's look. Do we see any rain dropping down yet?
Almost.
Let's keep looking.
Let's keep looking.
Gotta wait a few minutes. Do you have any more ice? Nope, we used it all. Okay, let's keep looking. Let's look over here.
Look at here.
Let's look. Do you see anything happening?
I don't see something, but I see little bit drops.
Let's see if we can see a drop. Let's keep looking.
Oh, well, it's turning it. Oh, wait. Do you feel it? It's not cold yet. It's still cold. It needs to be warm and hot. Man, you need more hot. Like I said, a little bit, but it's too cold. Let's move more down.
We're still looking. I think it's starting to do something over here.
I saw it.
There it goes.
The rain.
Do you see it starting?
Yeah, it is snowing.
All right, we made rain. High five.
Bye.